Step-by-step guide to affiliate marketing part 1. An easy place to start your market research is Facebook Ads Library. Facebook gives you access to every single ad that's published on the platform. So you can start with typing in something like auto insurance. We want to focus on lead gen offers. You want to scroll until you find something that looks like a lead generation offer. Now you have both the ad and the landing page. Use Offer Vault to look up who's buying leads and what the payouts are. Find the affiliate network that has your offer and sign up to become a partner. Next, you're going to need to connect with your affiliate manager and talk to them about the offer that you're looking to promote. The next step is you're going to need to find and negotiate with someone to build you a landing page. You're also going to need some ads. You either need to find someone to create these for you, or you got to figure out how to do them yourself. Once your landing page and ads are done, you're going to come over to TikTok or Facebook and set up a website conversions campaign, optimizing for a lead event. Once you press go, if everything's set up correctly, you should start getting leads. Now, if you don't get any leads, don't give up hope. It means you need to go back and look at your landing page and ads. You may need to go through several iterations of offers, ads, and landing pages before you find a winning and profitable result. Don't give up and don't jump around. Stay focused.